What is the story of Habil and Kabil, Cain and Abel? Once upon a time, the first humans on earth, Prophet Adam, peace be upon him, and his wife Hawa, Eve, had many children. Among them were two sons, Habil Abel and Kabil Cain. Habil was kind and righteous, while Kabil often felt jealousy and anger. What is the test of sacrifice? One day, Allah commanded Adam, peace be upon him, to have his sons offer a sacrifice. This was a test of their faith and sincerity. Habil, a shepherd, chose his best sheep and offered it to Allah. Kabil, a farmer, reluctantly chose some of his worst crops. Allah accepted Habil's sincere sacrifice, but rejected Kabil's insincere offering. This filled Kabil with rage and jealousy towards his brother. What is the Kabil's threat? Overcome with anger, Kabil confronted Habil and said, I will kill you. Habil calmly replied, Allah accepts only from the righteous. If you try to kill me, I will not fight back, for I fear Allah, the Lord of all worlds.
Despite Habil's peaceful words, Kabil's jealousy consumed him. What is the first murder? Blinded by his rage, Kabil attacked and killed Habil, committing the first murder in human history. Realizing the gravity of his sin, Kabil was filled with regret and did not know what to do with Habil's body. What is the lesson from the crow? Allah sent a crow that scratched the ground to show Kabil how to bury his brother. Ashamed, Kabil exclaimed, woe to me. I am not even able to be like this crow and hide my brother's body. He then buried Habil's body, deeply regretting his actions. What is moral of the story? The story of Habil and Kabil teaches us important lessons. Sincerity. Allah accepts the deeds of those who are sincere and righteous. Jealousy. Jealousy can lead to destructive actions. Peace. Responding to aggression with peace is virtuous. Regret and forgiveness. Sin leads to regret, and seeking Allah's forgiveness is crucial. This story reminds us to keep our hearts pure, avoid jealousy, and strive for righteousness in all our actions.